Well, hey, everybody. Welcome to another show. You ought to know. Jim Hall here, you there. And where are we? Well, you can see behind me, we're getting ready for New Year's Day, and that's going to be one of the floats in the prized Rose Parade, the Tournament of Roses Parade, Pasadena, New Year's Day. And as we tape this show right here from the Fiesta Parade floats in the city of Duarte, they're getting ready for the parade too. And we're just about 9 days away from New Year's Day as we do this show. But as you watch the show, New Year's Day is rapidly coming, and that means flowers go on the float, the parades get ready to go, and all the floats are going to be headed down Colorado Boulevard New Year's Day. And we're going to bring it to you right here on Odyssey TV Channel 6, because today we're going to meet some people here at Fiesta Parade Floats and find out what it takes to get these floats ready to go for New Year's Day. This week we're here. Next week it's going to be mayhem. The flowers are going on, and we're going to be here for that too. But join us today for this show, because I think you're going to find it fascinating how these floats come together. Right here. Why? Because you ought to know. Stay with us, everybody. We'll be right back.
If you want quality auto body repair and painting, A&D Auto Body in Victorville is the place to go. They specialize in boat refinishing, gel coat, custom paint, all types of fiberglass repairs for Sea-Doos, motorhomes, trailers, big rig trucks, and much, much more. Custom restorations, frame and collision repair, and work with all insurance companies. No job is too big or too small. On Anacapa Road, just west of Amargosa in Victorville.
Welcome back, everybody. Jim Hall, you ought to know. I'm in the city of Duarte as we get ready for this show, and as we tape this show just a number of days away from New Year's Day, and that means all the festivities of the Tournament of Roses Parade, better known as the Rose Parade, happening and going down Colorado Boulevard in Pasadena. With me is the floral director, Jim Hind. Right, Jim?
That's correct.
And we've heard the name for years and years and years. Award-winning floats, and this year will be no different, I am sure.
We're quite sure.
All right.
Hoping.
But let's talk about a little bit, first off, let's talk about you as we start this show. We're here in the pavilion, the Floral Pavilion, City of Duarte, and Fiesta Parade floats. Doing this.
This is
The itsy bitsy spider went up the went up the
Get proper nutrition before it's too late.
I forget.
Call or visit WIC. WIC provides nutrition information, healthcare referrals, even food. Your child has you, and you have WIC.
At Ozell's, there's never been a better time to cash in on your old gold and silver. Gold is at record prices, and Ozell's will give you the best price for your scrap gold jewelry, rings, coins, bracelets, whatever. Bring it in and walk out with cash today. Looking for that beautiful diamond ring or jewelry? Ozell's is a direct diamond importer and has the largest selection to choose from. Ozell's can custom design your jewelry and even make repairs while you wait. Ozell's has 3 locations: Palm Desert, Rancho Cucamonga, and Victorville, adjacent to the Mall of Victor Valley. Ozell's, open daily.
If you want quality auto body repair and painting, A&D Auto Body in Victorville is the place to go. They specialize in boat refinishing, gel coat, custom paint, all types of fiberglass repairs for Sea-Doos, motorhomes, trailers, big rig trucks, and much, much more. Custom restorations, frame and collision repair, and work with all insurance companies. No job is too big or too small. On Anacapa Road, just west of Amargosa in Victorville.
Welcome back, everybody. Jim Hall, You Oughta Know, and we've changed locations. Well, we're still at Fiesta Parade Floats here in the city of Duarte with our floral director, award-winning floral director, I might mention, Jim Hine. Jim, welcome.
Thank you very much, and welcome to Duarte and to our bevy of floats here.
Yes, and how many floats do we have here in this tent location where we're at? We're on the property for the City of Hope. Fine organization, and here we are.
That's correct. Right in this building that we're in right now, there are 9 units of the floats going into the 2008 Tournament of Roses Parade.
All right, let's describe this one right behind us here, because this is Rainbird, and we've seen them for numerous years. In fact, we come down during some of the decorating going on, and even the representatives of Rainbird are out here, hand us a pack of flower seeds. I go home and plant them every year, by the way.
Oh, well, great. I hope you've had success with them.
I have.
Well, wonderful. Yes, Rainbird, again, has had a very beautiful float. It is depicting some of the beautiful tigers and featuring some of the endangered species animals that we're working with the environment. And again, it's an outstanding float. Now, right now, there's not a lot of color you see on these floats. You just see some of all the surfaces are painted to match the decorative material that will be applied to them. And then the green foam that is there will hold all of the individual water-violed flowers. So it's this one is sitting here and just waiting to be decorated.
Now, when do the volunteers start coming in by schedule? They start arriving, and these start to really stand out with all that floral decoration going on.
That will start the day after Christmas, December 26th in the morning, and we work 2 shifts a day from 8 o'clock in the morning, and then another shift in the afternoon and evening till 11 each night. As the week progresses, the schedules have to be met, and usually on the 29th and 30th, it's an all-night session to get these things ready.
Well, and then it takes, about a 13-mile ride to get these from here over to the lineup location in Pasadena.
That's correct. It's about 11 miles from here. And, of course, these units are huge. They are upward into the way of 20, 30 tons. And, we don't use freeways and that. We use city streets. And they will be traveling at about under 5 miles an hour to get to the Pasadena lineup. So.
All right. What is this one right behind us here real quick?
This is an entry from the city of Cerritos, California. And it is depicting the Lanterns Festival in some of our Asian countries. They have festivals of lanterns, and this one is showing that. It has multi-Asian cultures involved with it, not only Chinese, Japanese, and Korean, but there are elements on it that represent all of the Far East countries.
All right, and then right behind us, look here, it looks like Hawaii, at least it does to me.
It is. That's beautiful at Hawaii. And that is Kaiser Permanente's float entered this year. This is the 50th anniversary of their Hawaiian offices in the islands. And so we're doing a beautiful float with a great big 45-foot outrigger canoe and these large sculptured Hawaiian children. It will have a tremendous amount of tropical materials coming from the islands that we will be utilizing to decorate it.
All right, Jim, thank you for being with us on this show. We're going to be back 1 week from now, and we're going to really see the life come to these when the floral arrangements start happening. So we're going to visit with you. We'll visit with Tim Estes next week from Fiesta Parade Floats here in Duarte. Is that all right?
That's great.
All
We'll
right.
be looking forward to it, and I know it'll be a tremendous transformation when you're back.
It certainly will. Stay with us, everybody. We're going to be right back to wrap it up. We are in the city of Duarte getting ready for the Tournament of Roses Parade, the Rose Parade, New Year's Day, and we're here at Fiesta Parade Floats. Why? Simply because you ought to know. Active Mobility Center, 7th and Sage in Victorville, 1-800-366-6015. Featuring sick room supplies, ostomy care, respiratory supplies, first aid, cushions, and so much more. Hospital beds, mobility scooters, 3-wheel and 4-wheel. Lifts installed in your van, service, rental, and repair. And 3- and 4-wheel scooters, walkers, wheelchairs, and all your homeroom, sick room supplies. We've got it all. Active Mobility Center even has accessible vans, lifts, ramps, making it easy for you to get around and be transportable. Home lift chairs to make it easy for you to get up and down, and we accept most insurances. Medicare, Medi-Cal, vets, all here at Active Mobility Center in Victorville. And yes, we have wheelchair-accessible vans, trucks, vans, cars, all for sale here at Active Mobility Center. Easy to find, 7th and Sage in Victorville. Remember the number, 1-800-366-6015. It's Active Mobility Center.
I helped turn my child's public school into one with extended hours, 6 days a week year-round, filled with loads of academic, cultural, and recreational activities. One with medical and dental services right there. A school where students are excited about learning. There's just one problem. My child doesn't ever want to come home. Turn your school into a community school for excellence. Find out how. Call 1-877-LOVE-TO-LEARN.
Well, that's going to put the wraps on another show, everybody. You ought to know. Jim Hall here in the city of Duarte, getting ready for the Tournament of Roses Parade. The Rose Parade, New Year's Day, and you're going to see floats like this one right here. That's the FTD float, and you're going to be keeping your eyes on that. Rainbird, the city of Palmdale, the city of Cerritos, and of course, so many more. 12 different floats from Fiesta Parade floats. Now, next week, we're going to be back here. We're going to see all the flowers, the floral design and arrangements all going on, and you're going to see the real beauty of these floats. Why are we here in the city of Duarte at Fiesta Parade floats? Well, simply because you ought to know. Stay with us, everybody. Next week, it gets even better.